Here we are dealing with an experiment in which the magnesium is reacting with HCl and it is producing the magnesium chloride and hydrogen. In this case, the magnesium as a reactant is being consumed. So he has taken the mass of the magnesium in the case of the A and B. These two graphs, they can be compared with one another. These two graphs, that is the C and D, we cannot take into consideration. Why? Because the magnesium, it is a reactant and it is used, and in this case the magnesium amount, it is increasing with the passage of time. So these C and D, they will be cancelled out. There is a tie between whether A is correct or B is correct. First, the rate of reaction is change in the concentration of the magnesium divided by the time interval. Now in the experiment number 1, he is using the dilute HCl, and in experiment number 2 he is taking the concentrated HCl. Experiment number 2, in case of experiment number 2, the graph, it is reaching the time while taking the short interval of time, while to that of the complete consumption of the magnesium. Complete consumption of the magnesium means that when the magnesium, it remains only 0. Then if the graph number 2, it is taking the less time, it means that the reaction will be more fast in case of the when the concentrated HCl is used. So our this option will be correct one.